Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Don't forget, the QSA Club meets during A and B lunch on Fridays in room B201 with Miss Olson, Mr. Laurent, and Miss Shank. If you haven't already ordered your school photos, you can visit the MJ Thomas Photography website by scanning this QR code or going to their URL and using the code NM257. Hey Raptors, don't forget, girls volleyball tryouts are happening now. 7th and 8th graders will be trying out the 30th and the 31st, 6th graders the 1st to the 2nd. Practice will start September 3rd. Bring a mask and a water bottle. Don't forget, the JMMS eSports Rocket League tryouts are happening September 13th, 14th, and 15th from 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Join the Google Classroom to learn more about it. Hey Raptors, just a quick reminder on how to access Classlink. You're going to go to my.aps.edu. You're going to use your same username and password that you do to get into your Chromebook. And then that's how you access some of these important apps. So your My Homework app, Google Classroom, and most importantly that iReady app.
Hey Raptors, it's Braylon with the sports updates. Hey Raptors, Golf Club starts September 8th. It costs $5 and will be at Paradise Hills Golf Course. Make sure you bring a hat, a water bottle, and your clubs. If you don't have any, you can rent some for $5. If you have any questions, make sure to go see Mr. Montano in C104. Flag football starts in October. Are you ready, Raptors? All grades are welcome, boys and girls. If you have any questions, make sure to see Mr. Montano in C104. Booyah!
Back to School Extravaganza, September 10th through 3:05 through 6 p.m.
Hang out after school on Friday for music, cornhole, laser tag, obstacle course, rock wall, soccer darts, and more. On September 10th from 3:05 to 6 p.m., hang out in the Commons, basketball courts, and the track. Tickets were $7 and will be sold at A and B lunch September 7th through 10th and Friday before school. Remember, tickets cover activities, not food. See you there! Mark your calendars. The James Monroe Open House is digital this year. September 21st from 6 to 7:40 p.m. More details to come. Tech giving you trouble? Visit the JMMS Technology Help page at jamesmonroe.aps.edu/tech_help. Need to get your advertisement on the Raptor News? Reach out to us at jmmsraptornews@gmail.com.